great to finally meet you. Heard great things about you from your
Nice to meet you too.
super duper mom. I got the word on the street, and the word on the street is that you are a Challenge 4 student. Is that right?
Yes, I am a Challenge 4 student with classical conversations.
And how long have you been homeschooling?
I've been homeschooled all of my life.
Wow. Okay, great. And how long have you been with classical conversations?
Since the 6th grade now, so that's a lot of years.
So now tell us about, so I read on the Coca-Cola scholarship site, there were over 95,000 applicants, high school students, to apply for this scholarship. And right now, the phase that you're in, so you're one of the semifinalists, and from my understanding, it's 1,800 semifinalists that you got selected, made that cut. I don't know what that percentage is, but that's amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, it's really.
So can you tell us about what is this scholarship all about, and how did you get selected?
Well, the Coca-Cola scholarship has been created to help seniors like me go to college based on their merits, on what they've done for their community and their academics, in order to help us seniors to go to college.
Got it. Okay. And why do you feel that you were selected to be a semifinalist?
I believe that I was selected to be a semifinalist because I help a community that's not very, everybody knows about it, but not many people help it. And that's the Irish community. I'm part of the local Irish organization called the Ballyshaners, who preserve Irish heritage in Alexandria and within the state pretty much. And they do a lot of community work to bring awareness to the Irish culture and to bring awareness to preserving it, because it's important, just like everyone else's heritage is.
That's awesome. Okay, how about your high school experience, right, with challenge, like in your challenge years, the high school years with classical conversations? What have you enjoyed the most, learned the most, gleaned the most from that experience?
Through my entire high school experience, I've really enjoyed how classical conversations puts together their schooling plans, so that when you're learning about Great Depression, if you learn about the Great Depression, you're also going to learn about that in not just history, but in science and Latin, all kinds of different subjects. So you can see how all the subjects are really intertwined together.
No, that's a great point. And in my public school experience, they were all separate, right? I went to math class, and then the bell rang, and then I went to biology class, the bell rang, then I went to history, the bell rang, and they were completely separate, so we didn't have any integration. And if we had a biology question or a math question or an economics question in history, right, a lot of times it would be like, hey, dude, stick with history. We're not in math class or economics class right now, kind of thing. So that is neat about the classical model, classical conversations, how it's all the subjects are very, very much integrated, which is real life, right? It's true to life. It's very integrated. Okay, so now tell me about your ninja dance skills. Tell me about that.
Well, I'm an Irish step dancer, so it's a lot like river dance is what I do, and it's a whole lot of fun. You get to travel all over the country, all over the world. It's really exciting.
How did you get into that?
I saw river dance when I was like really, really little, and I was like, that's what I want to do.
Wow! So how long have you been doing it?
I've been doing it for 12 years.
Wow! That's great. So what's the next? And no pun intended here, but what's the next step for you?
Well, maybe I'll go off and join river dance at some point, but at the moment, I'm planning on going to college.
Okay, got it. Okay.
I want to be an architect.
Okay, and why?
Well, my mom is a real estate agent, and my dad is an engineer. So I've been integrated into the housing community and the design community for quite a long time. And I really wanted to do it since I was about 8 years old.
That's great. That's great. What's the biggest thing you've learned going through this scholarship, kind of journey with Coca-Cola?
The biggest thing I've learned, how much community service that I've done over the years that I didn't realize I did until you really start thinking about it and you're like, oh yeah, I helped these people and I helped those people and I did that and I helped these people. And at the time you were just thinking, these people need help, I need to help them.
That's great. How does that feel to have helped or be helping so many people?
It feels wonderful. I'm so happy that I've been able to help so many people.
Well, great. Well, Cheyenne, I'm so proud of you for, just this, being a semifinalist and and just your homeschool journey. And, I had a chance to meet your siblings and your mom. You just have an awesome family. Give me some air knuckles. Give me some air knuckles. Give me, boom. That's what I'm talking about. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, Cheyenne. God bless you. And I'm so excited for all that God has for you.
Thank you.